Hey everyone! So I've been playing around with editing my videos, and guess what? Some of them have totally blown up. We're talking 84K views, 100K views, even 60,000 views on different clips. And the cool part? I did all that editing magic using just Capcut. Yep, that's right. In today's video, I'm super excited to walk you through the whole process step by step. I want to show you exactly how I edited these videos with Capcut so you can do the same and see your videos go viral too. It's all about sharing the love and tricks, right? But how are these killer animations like this, and this one possible in Capcut? And do you wonder what separates a normal edit from a viral edit? What is the importance of color grading, invisible cuts, and sound designs to make a video viral? Well, modern editing has completely transformed, and due to platforms like TikTok and Shorts, the attention span of users has drastically reduced. Therefore, in today's era, a new type of editing is very much in trend, which is called retention editing, a video editing style that aims to increase viewer retention by keeping the audience's attention to the end. Basically, this technique is used to grab the user's attention, and it's so trending that all YouTubers, including myself, are using it, and we're getting extremely good results. Retention editing is essentially inspired by reality TV and is made up of two elements. First is fast pacing, where things happen so quickly that viewers need to pay full attention to the video. For example, look at this video by Beluga with 37 million views. Did you manage to read all the text appearing on the screen properly? I bet 90% of viewers either had to pause the video or go back because this video demanded your full attention with its fast pacing. And now we come to the second part of retention editing, which is invisible cuts. Look, everyone adds cuts to their videos, but here we are talking about invisible cuts. Let me show you something.
I recreated every single set from Squid Game in real life, and whichever one of these 456 people survives the longest wins 456 grand.
The first game we're gonna play is red light, green light, and they have 30 minutes to cross the red line.
Now, can you guess the number of cuts in the first 15 seconds of this video? Let's count it now.
I recreated every single set from Squid Game in real life, and whichever one of these 456 people survives the longest wins 456 grand.
The first game we're gonna play is red light, green light, and they have 30 minutes to cross the red line.
A total of 13 cuts. Yes, that's true. And when you watch it for the first time, hardly anyone would have noticed so many cuts. Well, this is called invisible cuts, where for user retention, you have to play with cuts. And this formula is working very well. You can see it generated 589 million views on a single video from Mr. Beast. Today, in this video, I'm going to share with you some very interesting editing techniques and styles that nobody openly talks about. These are the secrets to editing viral videos. So let's start with one of my own videos. Watch the first 3 seconds of it.
You upload a video on YouTube. Just another addition to the 500 hours.
Now, set the speed to 0.25x and watch it again.
Imagine this. You upload a video on YouTube. Just another addition to the...
Did you notice something? Yes, the movement of the avatar is animated using animations. To edit this part, I use a background which you can find on Canva, a free design website. There you'll find a plethora of background options, including moving backgrounds in the videos section. Truly, this place is heaven for video editors, and premium templates and backgrounds are available with a watermark. But for now, we'll proceed with this black grid background like you see in the video, and hit download. Now, let's talk about how I make the avatars and how you can do the same. For this, I also use Canva. For example, if you need a man who appears to be thinking, go to the template section and search for a thinking man, and choose one from the many options available that you like. Once you click, it will be added to your slide. And now we will remove its background, which can be done in Canva under the Edit Photo option. Then Background Remover, and it's done. Now, if you want to use the avatar like this, you can. Or for more personalized avatars, you can place your channel's brand face on it, like I do. For this, I simply place my face over it, and now I'm going to download the avatar. Remember to choose transparent while downloading, otherwise the avatar will download with a white background. Now that we have all our assets, let's move over to Capcut. Here I'll explain the basics. From here, you can upload your media, fully design the sound for your video, which we'll look into later in this video. This part is for adding text to your video, and in Capcut you can also generate auto captions with the help of AI. You can use thousands of ready-made stickers here and add effects to your video, just like one which you might have seen in many of my videos. You can add any transitions like this from here and use video filters from here as well. The bottom part is your timeline, where you can work on multiple layers simultaneously. And here is where your video preview will play, and you can edit the layers from here. So first you'll want to import all the assets you downloaded from Canva. Then we simply drag and drop our background in, and after that, we'll bring in our avatar. Now on a second layer, we've bought this in, and to position it just like in this video, we'll use an animation. Here, we'll apply a slide up animation for 0.2 seconds, and now we bring our text to the side here. And from here, you can edit the style, font size, font, stroke, color, and everything about the text. So we'll choose this font, and now we need to animate the text in the same way. And we're almost done with the first scene. And here it is. But wait, do you feel like something is missing? Yes. Listen to the sound effects in this video.
Imagine this.
Here at both the entry and exit, there's also a whoosh sound effect. So for that, we'll go to the sound section and search for whoosh. I often use swish whoosh, deep whoosh in my videos because I find them really cool. So here you'll use swish whoosh because the scene is being shown quite fast. We'll lower its volume so it's not too harsh on the ears. And now our first scene is done. Moving on to the second scene, which is a B-roll. B-roll is what we use to visually represent our words. Like here, the phrase, upload a video. Then, the next scene shows a boy sitting and uploading a video. For this, chroma key has been used. Chroma keying is something I want to introduce you to from the world of YouTube, about which you might not be aware. It's the world of copyright-free materials where you can find everything from B-rolls to sound effects, background music, and green screen animations. Just like what has been used in this video, we will type copyright-free man-watching PC green screen in the YouTube search and download whatever you find suitable. I like this one, so I will copy the link and download it. We also need an uploaded part, as was in that video, so we will search for it on YouTube using the same steps and download it. Then we will import these into CapClip and drag them onto the timeline. First the uploaded part, and then the green screen clip, which we will place on the second layer. The first layer is for our grid background. Now to remove this green screen, we will go to Cutout and select Chroma Key. Then use the color picker to select this green color and adjust the strength. With the green screen removed, we will set the uploading part inside it by placing it on layer 2, and you can see it's adjusting now. But now the question is, how did we achieve the zoom out part in the scene? I did it using keyframe. Here we will place keyframes at the starting and ending positions and add some sound effects like this. Now we are done with it all. Let's look at it now. So you must have realized that editing in this style isn't that easy. I put effort into every single video for all of you. If you want to understand editing in much greater depth, then comment editing. Primarily to create such edits, you need to think about how you can make a scene visually attractive. Can it be done with the help of B-rolls, or perhaps with animators like this? Or even with avatars. Thinking is crucial. Once you've grasped the essence, you can find the technique to execute it on YouTube, provided you have a clear understanding of the basics. You can also watch videos at 0.25x speed to analyze how certain effects were achieved. Speaking of turning basics into something big, I've got a real-life example to share with you. I recently turned a single video into an $8,000 win with just 14K subscribers. Yep, you heard that right. It's not just a story, it happened. And the best part, I've laid out the whole process in a free masterclass that you can find on my website. All you need to do is hit the link in the description or check the first comment below this video, and you're all set to discover how you can possibly do the same with your content. It's about connecting the dots between creative editing and understanding the impact it can have on your channel's success.